Let's make money. Let's go. 2026. Here we come. I just want to make sure that the stream is actually good on my side. There we go. Here we come. There we go. Everything's good. There we go. There we go. Good morning, chat. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, traders. Tumilang. Kujani. Yapila. Bonjour. Yeah. Shirt on point, my G. Yeah. Because it's space markets. But look here. Magical. Ooh. You guys see that? Magical. You know what I mean? Magical who? Look at that. Look at that. Magical who? There we go. Yeah. Good morning, traders. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Okay. Good morning, traders. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Thank you. Again, traders, welcome back to Magical live stream. I'm your host, Shaquel Samaai. Thank you for joining this morning. We're in for a lining session. It's going to be my last live stream. Technically, the last live stream of 2025, guys. The last live stream for 2025, guys. So it's amazing stuff. We're going to have a great one, guys. I want to prepare you guys for 2026. That's my goal today, is actually to prepare you guys for 2026. That's my entire goal today, is to make sure that every one of you guys who's on the stream today is well prepared for the stream, traders. You know what I mean? And I'm very familiar that today a lot of people might not join today because of, it's almost Christmas and people have things to do. So I want to take time out to actually appreciate and thank every one of you guys who still made it to the live stream, regardless of being a very special time for family. You know what I mean? Like it's Christmas, it's preparing for the new year. And so I want to thank every one of you guys. I can see the chat right here. I'm going to go through the chat as well. So we have Musa, the very first. Let's go. He was the first one to comment on the stream. He was the first one on the stream, actually. We have Timmy Dollar. Good morning. Let's make money. Brandon, usually you the first. It's either Musa or you, or Tepiso, who makes it first. And then also Meiso. Is it Meiso? It's Meiso on the stream usually first. So it's nice to see you guys very active and dedicated to the stream. I really appreciate it, traders. And then we have Tepiso. How's it people? Bashir, Bash, walaikum salam, brother. How's everyone doing this morning? But honestly, how I'm doing, right? Like now, I'll be honest, you guys. My mind is already in 2026. I'm really trying to make sure that the first quarter, I'm not really worried too much in fourth quarter, third quarter, to be honest, you guys. And this is something that you guys need to understand, that when you're actually planning your year, break it down into quarters. You see, the main thing about goals is writing it down and having tick boxes. You see, that's the main thing about having goals. You can't just have a dream, because I believe that a dream doesn't become a reality unless actually well constructed. And what I mean by this is that you need to take time out consciously and write down what do you want to achieve in next year. Not, like people have this, I want to go to gym, I want to eat healthy, and all these good things, bro. Honestly speaking, those are things you should just be. You know what I mean? Being healthy shouldn't just be a goal. It should be your lifestyle. You know what I mean? Goals should be, I think, personally, and this is something from a personal perspective, is that when I speak goals, I'm talking about, okay, first I break it down to 5, elements. There's 5 elements. I'll break it down. And that's how I break down my goals for the year. And I see what is the most important one for basically the most hardest one, that I'll go for that one first. So again, coming down to it, the 5 elements that I believe that if you want to construct your year very successful or in order, right, guys, this is what you do. You're going to write down, basically, let's do this, right? So you're going to do the 5 elements, right? I believe it's 5 elements. Just give a second. 5 elements. right? Do you want me, okay, let me ask this. Do you guys want me to go through exactly how to construct a year first, or do you want me to go through the market first? Let me hear from you guys. Market first, or do you want me to go through planning your 2026 first? What do you want me to go through? Market first, or 2026 first? Plan 2026. What do you want? Let me know, chat. I'll go with you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. It seemed like most of you guys saying market, construct first. There's one person construct. There's 3 people for market, another one for planning. Market first, planning, market. It looks like most of the people are saying, okay, let's price might run while we're planning. Okay. I'm gonna be very honest, you guys, that I know I'm not gonna trade. I really know I'm not gonna trade today. Because of price action, not gonna be the greatest. But I'm gonna read it for you guys, right? If whoever wants to go about it, again, before I do anything, please, I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I do on the streams, it's purely for education and entertainment purposes. And trading has high risk, okay? So I'm gonna break it down for you guys, and it's all up to you guys. And then after, we'll go over the planning, okay? So let's just break down what is or what has happened for the year, and then just the entire breakdown, because I usually do this once a year, the full breakdown. I don't really come really on the monthly much, really. Maybe every quarter, yeah, I do come on a monthly, not really much. But before I start, let's see how many likes we have, bro. Like, how many likes do we have? Because I know you guys are very stingy. What likes? It's like, please like stream, gents. Like, it's like, please like stream, please, man. But it's like, I'm watching, but like, you watching, but it's like, bro, just tap like. But it's like, we have to, like, please, gents, can you like the stream so we can continue? Anyway, guys, I'll really appreciate if you guys can like the stream so I can continue with the market breakdown on gold, NASDAQ, US30, and whatever market you guys would like to go over as well. So let's go over that as well. There we go. 24 likes, and there's 60 people on the stream. Wow, that's phenomenal. Great stuff. Okay, so let's break it down, right? So every year, right, like I said, every year, I usually come onto a monthly time frame. Not every year, every quarter actually, I come onto a monthly time frame, and I will look at what happened the previous month. And you can write this down, right? So every month, if the candle closed massive bullish, and it's the same thing I do on the lower time frame or daily time frame. If previous month closed massive bullish, like you can see this here, massive bullish right there. Let's do this and demonstrate. You can see this candle bullish, right? But before that, it was ranging. Okay, it was ranging. So you can see that. Okay, monthly, 1, 2, 3, 4 months straight, it was ranging, and then it pushes out. So let's just say you were in this month of October and you saw this push out for September. So with a massive bullish candle on a monthly, honestly speaking, guys, let me teach you something economics, right? For a monthly candle to go completely bearish, it means the entire economy, something needs to happen. Okay, do you guys understand? Just think about this. If the entire economy, like if a entire bullish candle previous month, it's like big bullish, and the next candle, in order for this candle to go completely down, it means that you need to have something happening in the economy, for like something negative, something bad. Does it make sense, guys? Does it make sense? Let me know if that makes sense to you guys. Does it make sense to you guys? It's something really crazy. Yeah, something significant needs to happen. You understand? So again, what I do is I look at the previous month's candle, right? Previous month's candle, and then I get to understand, yeah, fundamentals. This is actually using fundamentals with technicals, basically, guys. It's literally just using economics. Like, it's fundamentals, but basically just economics. If you can understand the economy, politics, you'll understand trading very easy, like on a high perspective, on a high time frame, right? So then you have bias for the entire month. You have bias for a daily. So what I do is, guys, when I'm looking at, this is gold first. I am looking at gold currency kit. This is gold. I'm breaking it down for you. So I'm saying that you can see that the previous month, year, was bullish, and that's why this month for December continued bullish. Does it make sense? So that we're looking at January, right? It's a new year, yes. So because it's a new year, we can have market pull a little bit down and do the exact same thing which happened here for the first quarter. After a massive push like this, we can have a range again. All right, look here. Look, let me show you guys. December, October, November, December. Look here, and then January, it stayed in this range. You get it? You get what I'm saying? This is January. It stayed in this range. This is basically, if I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me take this off quick. Can you see it? I don't think you guys can see it, but if I could show you, this is basically this. This is 2024 October. This is November. This is December 2024, and this is January 2025. It is ranging. Do you see? And then Feb, it starts pushing. March, April starts pushing, and then after Easter, it slows down. Mid-year quarter, like through the mid-year, basically half through the year, and then last push for the year, push again. So I'm saying we had a massive push. What does it mean for January? I'm looking at, in January, we're going to look at this possible range, that January will probably range between here in this range. I don't think, honestly, and we can always come back to the stream, guys. You can always come back to the stream. Like, this is reposted, that I do think that January will hold in this range. It might want to push up, yes, for the month. It might push me up, but it's not going to close up. I do think it's going to close inside this range, inside this box right here, right? And so with that being said, that is basically my bias for January, right? Now let's break it down on the weekly time frame. Bro, please bless my Christmas. How do you want to be blessed? Bless that guy. Bless him with New Year 2026. 2026 must be blessed. Do you want that blessing? I know what blessings you guys want. You guys want a lot of blessings, huh? I know what you guys want, 100%. Yeah. Okay. So now going on the weekly time frame. So when I have the previous month bullish, like this, I look at the weekly. Did the previous week also close bullish like this week, right? It's breathing out. It's time for breathe in, 100%, man. Yeah. So you can see, there we go. Now weekly, this week is closing bullish. So my question is, okay, we have bullish previous month, weekly is bullish. Now I'm like, okay, can we go to the daily right now, right? Daily is bullish. So now I have a thing here. I can put out daily bias. I put on this bias. Is it daily bias? I think it's this one. Let's just check quick, right? Or is it this one? No, it's not this. Yeah, it is this, nah? Or just say bias. I think it's bias. Wait, show you guys something. Bias. Let's just see. Good daily basic bias. I'm gonna just go through it quick and I see which is something like that. Let's check quick. I'll just see which one it is. No. Yep. Listen. Okay, but there's one that I'll show you guys. I don't know which one it is, but I can't find it. Yeah, weekly. Yeah. There we go. So you can see you have bearish. This is not the one. Because usually you type it in yourself. I'm trying to find it quick. Just give me a second. Then I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. It's bias basically. Bias table. I think it's that. It's fine. Anyway, yeah. You can put this on. Listen, this will work. This will work. Okay. So you can see you can put on monthly, weekly, daily, right? And then you put on buy, or you can say sell, whatever you want. You can change it, right? So you can say whatever you want to change. You can put it on. But the case is, this is just a tip, a simple tip for you guys. I'm not finding it, but it's basically a way to say, okay, what I'll do is instead of writing it down the whole time, you can say that monthly bullish, right? You have that, so you write that down. It's bullish. Then you write weekly is bullish as well, right? And then you have daily bullish. How do we know daily is bullish? Let's go to it. You can see there, right? The previous day, 2022 December, which was yesterday, 22nd of December, bullish. And you can see right here, we are pushing again. Do you guys see? Do you guys see that? I hope you guys seen that. So you see that I'm building up a picture right now, basically, traders. What I'm doing right now is I'm building up a picture. I'm painting a canvas to understand what is the major time frame saying. Does it make sense? So if you're struggling, guys, if you're struggling to understand what's the bias for the day, for the week, for the month, this is what you do. This is what you can do. And this is what I do, basically. You understand? It's very simple for me because, again, like I was taught, in order for a whole monthly time frame to change massive bearish, it means that something massively bad needs to happen in the economy. Think about South Africa. You from South Africa, ZAR, right? In order for like ZAR is getting strong right now, right? Great stuff. Why is that happening? Why is it going down? Why is ZAR getting a bit stronger than the dollar? Why did that happen? Because something massive happened. Because the government shut down first, right? When the US government shut down, it was a massive thing. That's why dollar kept going down. It was a massive thing. Let me show you guys something, right? Let's go to DAX quick. Let's just go through this. I'll show you guys something. Do you guys see this? Let's do it on the monthly, right? You can see right here. This is January, right? Look what happened. Watch. See here? December, slow down January, and then from February it starts flowing down, just going down. And here it's just been ranging. You know what I mean? So this is a preparation again. So you can look at this as well, a preparation for the new year as well. You know what I mean? If this continue ranges, then I think the other markets is going to just have to follow in range. You know what I mean? But again, in order for this to happen, this whole moves like these needs to happen. Massive economic impact needs to happen. Some massive fundamentals. I hope that makes sense to you guys. So going back to gold, guys, I'm first going to finish gold. I will go through everything that you guys require, what you guys would like me to go through. So you can see monthly, weekly, daily. Now, once I'm done with the daily, right? I'm done with daily. I'm looking at, did it really break out? USD, I'm going to go through that, yes. Did it break out already? Yeah, it broke out already. So now it's delivering. You see that? So if you want to know, is market in the impulse mode, impulse leg, or the accumulation? Is it in the distribution or accumulation? Accumulating is basically collecting, building up volume, right? Before actually it's gonna have a massive push. In order for it to have a massive push, it has to have enough volume. So it usually contracts and then delivers. So right now we're in delivering, right? So uses like it doesn't happen for too long. Like look at this, it goes right daily 1, 2, and it starts contracting again. So maybe right here 1, 2 needs to start contracting right now. So I'm not gonna go any higher than this, to be honest with you. I don't think gold for the day will go any higher in this level. I don't think, honestly, I'm gonna say that gold won't really close above this. Let me just say that. I do think gold has created a high already for the day. Looking at it, it's gonna probably range in this area. You see that? We have now a range. So if you look at it back to the daily, just understand it's already done 1-2 massive days out of a range. And you look at the impulses, it happens after 2 days, usually for 2 days. Look, it literally does it. Here's the range, right? This is 2025 September area, right? You can see 1, 2, and it's like then it starts ranging again. Once it breaks out this area, 1, 2, it starts ranging again. Do you guys see that? Just drop a down in chat, guys. I need to understand if you guys actually understanding what I'm sharing with you guys. Do you know what I mean? I want to make sure that you guys are well informed and educated for the market for 2026. You know what I mean? Just drop a W if you guys are with me. Oh, if you don't want me to go through the market and you don't want to learn and just go through analysis, I'll do that. I can do that for you guys. I can just say, I can keep my knowledge and just drop down like, okay, I think market's going in here. I can do that. But again, it's like, you're not going to be really, like, 2026, you're not going to be informed. You know what I mean? I want you to make sure that 2026, Marcy, my gali, what's happening, bro? Nice to see you. My gali's on holiday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's also welcome Magali in the chat, guys. Come on, Marcelino is joining the live stream. Can we please drop a W in the chat? Or just say Magali. Magali's in the chat. Drop a Gali there in the chat, guys. For our Gali out there. Marcy's in the chat, guys. You guys know he's our Gali. Bro, that name, Gali, bro, it's just too much, bro. It's just too much Gali. Yeah, my Gali, dog. It's like, literally, it's like that. It's like, my Gali, yeah. Yo, where you going? I'm going to my Gali, dog. Yes. Yeah, my Galis. It even has a like, Galis, for more, for many. Galis. We are well informed, guys. We are well informed. Galis. You know what I mean? Gali and Galis for many. Ish, guys, what's happening, man? I appreciate it. And I saw Safwan as well. I think I saw Safwan as well in the chat. I just think I missed him as well. Guys. I think I saw Daisy. Let's go. There we go. FX Killers as well, guys. I did see him. I just missed him. I was dropping some gems, right? That's all our streams out there. Drop a W as well for FX Killers as well. Safwan as well in the chat. I saw him as well. I don't know if he's still on the chat as well. Yes, sir. Oh, my phone died as well. Crazy. That's crazy. Whoa. Let's do this. Yeah, there we go. Drop a W in the chat there. Okay. Perfect. Yeah. For my Gali. What's happening? There we go. Yeah, I can see everyone happening right now. I can see everything. Yeah. Yes, he's in the chat. FX Killers, Safwan, W Safwan, the whole leadership is in the chat. Yeah, it's nice. That just shows you. Look, that just shows you that they're really here for you guys on holiday. Like, if you think about it, gents, like, literally it's festive and yet we're still streaming. Like, even though today is the last day of stream, we made it though. We really, we trying our best to continue these free live streams, and these streams won't be possible without our sponsors, guys. So I want to give a thanks as well to Space Markets, best broker, bro. Honestly, great broker with the express withdrawals, amazing. And then we have Comit Capital, a great platform as well, bro. Honestly, so I want to thank them as well for making the streams possible. So again, guys, if you do want to appreciate it and you want to support and want to continue, then I say continue growing the community. And I say trade with Space Markets and trade with Comit Capital. Get fun with it, bro. Now, 3K subs by 2026, bro. It's gonna happen. I'm telling you, it's because of you guys. It's not even us, bro. It's you guys. Like, it's literally and it's going so quick, bro. It's like this. It's so quick. But let's go quick. I want to break this down quick, guys. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Yeah, Glizzy, bro. Glizzy, Hey, bro, Glizzy's Glizzy, dog. That's why they call him Glizzy. Because it's Glizzy. Yeah. You understand what I'm saying? If you know Glizzy, bro, Glizzy really puts the traders first, bro. I can say it myself. I've seen it with my own eyes that really honestly he puts traders first. And when I explain to him the streams, how we can impact traders, how we can help traders with live streams, you know what, he just said, say this, bro. Let's just help the community. Say this. If it means to help them to know how to trade, to educate them, and actually see how we live trade live for free, and you guys actually see us how we make profits, and actually use our platforms we are using, and not just saying we're using it, but actually seeing on stream we deposit and we trade. He said, you know what? If it's gonna mean that to help the traders, bro, say less. I want my traders to win, bro. That is glizzy, bro. If you guys don't know that, bro, that is glizzy. And so again, yeah. So where is Marvi, bro? Marvi is working. Marvi he doesn't take break, bro. I promise you. Even he doesn't take break. He works right through, just to make sure platforms are smooth, withdrawals are going through everything. That's, bro. If you understand, I don't wanna what do you call, like, flavor him because he's glazed, though. I'm being serious. I'm being honest, bro. I'm being real honest. I seen it in my own eyes, and that's why I can proudly say, that, look, honestly, I'll proudly say I'm with Space and Commit, because I can see what it's about. You know what I mean? That's what I'm about. So it's like, okay, you know what? I can see where this is going, bro. This is next level stuff. We are really the biggest brokers and prop firms in Africa, and now we want to go international. So, and if someone's here for long term to grow and to help traders, I'm forward. So, going on to it, guys. Next step is at 50 minutes, right? So I said, you can see that we have this range right here, and me personally, I don't think market's gonna buy any higher than this or low in this. What is this? Let's see. I want to thank you all for developing me and building my confidence. Wow, it's amazing. You know what I've discovered? 50-minute, you mark out the last 50-minute red candle and then wait the next to break above or below, and then 1 minute. That's exactly what, bro. Slay the guy. That's exactly what I do, bro. If you guys come, I'll show you guys something. I mean, I don't know if you guys are like picking it up, bro. Right? Check this out. Usually when I see a bullish candle, I box that off. That's the start of a range. Then I watch how this candle breaks out. Like, I've been doing that, bro. Like, it's a OBR basically. It's not a open range break, but it's literally a range break. It's not open range break. The open range break strategy is more for the New York Open or London Open. This is basically this year is mainly for like trading right through the day. You know what I mean? So I will look at, okay, how does this candle, but mainly on the 30-minute time frame, 5-minute, yeah. So I won't really do it on a 15. I'll do it like here, like that, or there. You see, massive, and then there's a bearish candle, and I'll do it here. You see that? So once that candle there, close the high, low, and I see how the range. Once it breaks below, and I say 30-minute, then I know, okay, this is 30-minute time frame. This is big moves, bro, to sell off that. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's big moves, guys. It's literally big moves. Do you understand? So you can see the same thing here. I'm looking for this here, for range here, especially a bearish candle right now, because it's been bullish right here. And then we can start looking for drawing this range. For now, actually just leave it off. So wait for a bearish candle, then we close it. But if it's trading down, it's a different thing. It's been trading up, yes, like this. If it's been trading down, it's a different thing, right? So let's no, this has been an uptrend. So I'm trying to find one where it's literally trading down, bro. Let's find that and I'll show you guys. Yeah. Here we go. Very clean. You can see market's been trading down. Bam, 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 selling off, right? And once that happens, and you see the first bullish candle, you range it off, right? There we go. Once that happens, basically, you can see a start of a range. It's one. There you spot a range. 1, 2, 3. All you need is 2 candles, lows and equal highs and equal lows. Once that happens, you have a range. And then all you do is, check that out. Do you guys see that? Do you see that? So basically, it's just, look, it's almost similar to CRT strategy. All strategies the same, bro. Come on, just blow your mind quick something, right? It's a support and resistance. There we go. Support and resistance. Support broken, tested as resistance. You get what I'm saying? That's the support resistance. Here's the fair value gap, massive FVG for someone else. Do you see that? Then also with that other end, it's also a trend line for someone else. You see this? It's a trend line for someone else. You see that? Not only that, but it's actually a Fibonacci for someone else. Let me show you guys something. From here, from the high to that low there, put it to the side. Look at that. It's a Fibonacci for someone else. Guys, I promise you, trading, people overcomplicate trading. I'm telling you, all strategies are very similar. It's actually all the same because you need to know whether you're buying or selling. It's not in between. It's, am I buying or am I selling? Doesn't make sense. So it's all about what makes sense and easy and simple for you to know when to buy and sell. I don't want to know too much of like crazy strategy. I just want it very simple. Do you get what I'm saying? I just want to keep it simple. Exactly. Like, I used to make it very complicated, bro. I'm telling you. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, check this out. I used to have this like levels. I used to have these. Yo, you know what? There is a level there. There's a. I used to draw these back in the day. Not say they don't work, but it used to make sense for me. It was easy for me to understand the market. There we go. This is like a rising wedge. And now I'm going to trade it here. But now I don't trade here. I trade from the top. Do you see, guys? I don't trade anymore here where I'm waiting for break right now. Because I became a little more advanced. So I'm trading from the top. You get what I'm saying that? I hope you guys understand what I'm saying, bro. Like, literally, honestly, interesting, bro. It's also supply zone for someone else. 100%. It's a supply zone for someone else. Supply and demand. So again, guys, it's all about what makes trading easy for me to understand, to know when to buy and sell. I was an artist on the charts. Bro, say less. Say less. As you evolve, you become simpler. 100%. And that's why you guys see I don't draw a lot of things on my chart. Like, I really don't, bro. Like, I'm very, very simple. I just draw for you guys to understand. If I can be honest with you guys, this is what I draw. I'll draw this. A target level where I can target to, right? That levels which I had already. I have target levels. And then if I want to, for you guys, I usually put on price. So you guys can have price there. You know, where am I going to, you know, just for the chart, for the live stream purposes, I'll always put like price, but I don't do it for myself. So that is just for myself. Like, I have these price on this side right here. I don't need more price. You know what I mean? Like, I don't need more things because I already have these price here. So right now I have my target for the upside, target for the downside. Now, this is the analysis for gold. It is bullish. So, like I said, we have this range, but I would like the market to give me a bearish candle in here. Once that happens and market can break above this area right here, right? This area, close the upside, close outside, and then we're going to trade into these zones right here. Then we're going to buy into it. It's going to go more likely, possibly, what the hell? But possibly it will go into these highs right here. Okay. Do you still trade NAS 100? Bro, I'll be honest with you. NAS 100. I'll be honest with you, not really much. I do trade it, but not really. I really am over it. I'll be very honest with you guys. I'm over NAS 100, guys. I'm being very serious, nah? I'm not gonna send a lie to you guys. I'm over NAS 100. Do you guys see? I'm really over NAS 100. Because at this point in time, bro, I just feel that gold this year, and let me put it in correct words, right? I go according to where's the most volatility in the market. Yeah, that makes sense. If you remember, if you do remember, if you've been following me for very, very long, right, for maybe say 6 years or 5 years straight, maybe if you knew, you will only know me for gold, or like you know me for NAS 100 as well, right? But honestly speaking, I traded NAS 100 for many years only, and then I went to US 30 for like 2 years straight. No, I lie, 1 year straight, right? And then this year I traded only gold. Now, why did that happen? Because if you really understand the economy, is that you'll see that in the trend, right? That you guys, most of you guys trading gold. Like a lot of retailers are trading gold. So there's a lot of volume and a lot of volatility on gold. And also, why is that happening? Is because of fundamentals. So because a lot of economic events, fundamentals is happening, politics, and that gold has more volatility, right? And therefore, gold was moving much more nicer, had more volatility. That's why I moved to gold, because it's easier to make money. Does it make sense? Like, bro, let me show you guys how you guys been complicating gold. Like, this is how you've been complicating trading. The entire year, bro. This is since 2025, nah? December. Here we go. Let's see. November. Here we go. Let's go to a monthly, weekly. Actually, show you guys something. 2025. Yeah, this is 2025. Here we go. This is basically monthly. Nah, let's just go to monthly straight up. Here you can see from the beginning of January. Does it make sense? Like, yeah, does it make sense? From here, January, monthly time frame, it's been buying. So why wasn't it easy to trade gold? Like, why? Because you didn't understand the fundamentals. You didn't understand the range break right here. You see, but now, this 2026, you're much more educated. That's what I'm trying to. I want to make sure that you'll be able to spot what is going to be the market for the year. And you'll see Shaquel trade the market for the year, like whatever market is. If I remember in the beginning of your trading, of most of your YouTube videos were trading gold. It was gold. It was more NAS 100, man. Like, look nicely. I promise you, it was NAS 100. Look nicely. It was NAS. And what made my most money in the start, which actually really changed me, or let's say where my breakthroughs came in life, was NAS 100. Just look nicely, brand. I promise you. Like, I can go to it right now, but I think just go for it. Yeah. So you can see what I'm saying, that this is recorded. Yes, it's reposted. So what I'm trying to say is, guys, don't overcomplicate trading. In a nutshell, please. Please don't overcomplicate it. That's all I'm asking. So the reason why I trade gold, it was easy for range breaks. It's one of my methodologies. And this entire year, you guys saw me, the events on the streams, you can see I've been just trading support, resistance, range breaks. Like, resistance, break above, and I'm buying. Support, breaks below, I'm selling it. You see, range breaks. So the entire year, and then people always will say, but every year you have a different strategy. It's not that. I'm a well-educated trader. I'm well-informed. I trade what the market is showing me. And if it means that I have to use a methodology for the New York Open, I'm going to use it, bro. I'm here to make money. Does it make sense? So one of my methodologies, which is my main, is going to be trend line, support, resistance. Simple. Support, resistance. But if it means that I must trade with the moving average, because there's a market's responding to moving average way better, then I'm going to go for it, bro. But I'm not going to go for anything crazy like smart money and crazy like that. I just use simple things which I understand. It's like moving averages, support, resistance, trend lines, added waves. I don't really use too much added waves, but I do like impulse and corrections and accumulation, distribution. Basically, it's just support, resistance, guys. That's it. So if it means that I'm going to adjust my strategy to the market condition, I'm going to do it. You see, so if you look at from the start, I can go to it even, and I'll show you guys on YouTube as well, that if you go all the way back, you'll see I've been through in ranges. All the back. Go start from like support, resistance, trend lines. It's been there. Fibonacci with the trend line, I just removed Fibonacci because I don't need it anymore. You see? So again, guys, lastly, don't overcomplicate it. And why don't trade NAS 100? Because gold has been easy to make money on. Trump and tariffs means more all-time highs on gold next year. Will be interesting. We're gonna see. We're going to have to see what's gonna happen. And so you'll see that with US30, I'm more to US30, guys. So let's just give a full breakdown again before I leave this 30-minute time frame. There we go. So this has 14 minutes left, guys. Don't stress yourself out, guys. It's 14 minutes left. Once it closes, if it does close it somewhere around here, not here, if it closes somewhere, even if it closes here, it's still going to, it's a 30-minute time frame. It has a lot of time on the 5-minute, guys, to trade it up. It's a big move, guys. You get what I'm saying? So don't feel like you're missing anything. Take your time. I'm telling you, take your time. And I mean it, bro, honestly. So on the other end, let's go to my favorite other pair, right? US30. This is my other favorite pair, right? US30. This is my other favorite pair, US30. Can you please look at the USD JPY? Sure, let's go with that one. This one here, JPY, I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you something about this one. I'm gonna do it really quick, okay? You can see range. This is a massive range. 1, 2. Yeah, there we go. 1, 2 range. There we go. So weekly, let's look at it. Look at this. Do you see that? I don't have to spot it up. I'm sure you're picking up this, right? I'm sure you saw this already on the weekly, right? I'm very sure USD JPY moves mad in New York. Yeah, because it's mainly driven by USD, and it was a great pair also to trade for easy moves this year. I do think so. Out of currencies, it was one of the easiest because dollar got weaker, JPY became stronger. That makes sense, guys. So that's what happened as well. But what that means that because of people putting money in the JPY, because it's a safe haven pair, right? It's a bit easier for you to day trade it because of volatility as well. Same thing, right? But I don't like currencies. I really don't like currencies, bro. I'm not because I don't like it. I just takes long to get to profits, bro. Like it's so slow for no reason. Like why wait? Like I don't know why you guys like to wait, bro. Like you guys are waiting like for forever. But anyway, here we have a range right here. So you can see right there, range, right? Daily time frame. We already have this highs right here. I don't think markets will come back to the highs. And I don't think markets gonna come to these lows, honestly, for today. It's not gonna happen. But what we can do is we can trade in this range right now. So this range, let's put that low there, and we can put that high because it's quite a nice distance towards it. This is quite decent. Let's say put that this just quite decent low because that's the last push, slow push. So we have, don't think market's gonna come here, and I don't think market's gonna come here, but we have this range for now. Reason why I say market can't come here is like it is the next level in the market. You know what I mean? It is the next stop where market stopped and then shot up. And the reason why I don't think market's gonna come here because it means that the whole daily candle is changed from bearish like to massive bullish. And honestly speaking, it just means that economics, bro, and on the news, like on Christmas time, bro. What the festive, bro? Is that a space market? 100%. It's a margin call, space market, margin call T-shirt. Hope you guys see that. Here we go. You guys say margin call hoop. So yeah. Okay. So going back to it, let's just break down very quickly. Oh my gosh, bro, USD JPY, bro. I hope you guys are looking at, bro. If you trading USD JPY with the break range strategy or support resistance, you can chow it, bro. Check that. I really hope you guys can see this. I'm even like shocked. Like, thank you, bro. Thank you, bro. Check this out. One. Okay, let's just break this down. One. Shoot up. There's another one here. Shoots up. Then it's a bigger one right here. Shoots down. But then there's another one right here. Shoots down. Breaks out. What is happening right here? Doesn't it look the same? Come on, chat. Drop a W in the chat right there. I hope you guys understand what I'm dropping for you guys right now. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. It's very easy, eh? Are you guys with me? It's very easy. Come on. Come on, chat. What's happening? What's happening? Let me know. Let me know. Is that it? Does it make sense, guys? Does that make sense to you guys? Yeah. Come on, chat. Come on. I hope that makes sense to you guys. Yeah. It's very simple, you guys. It's clean. It's literally telling you exactly what's happening. Look here. When USD JPY ranges and it breaks out, it shoots. Doesn't make sense. Look here. Ranges, it shoots. Ranges, it needs to break out. Bro, it's very simple. I won't able to unsee it 100%. It's there. Sorry about that, traders. Excuse me. So it's there. You guys see that? So it's there, traders. And now, what is my analysis for it? So like, okay, are you buying or selling? I'm sure you want that. Okay, let me ask you guys. Since I've been doing this for like now 2 months straight on the stream, right? With you, over a month and a half right now. It's technically, a month and a half, yeah. It's been a month and a half, yeah. So this month and a half, right? Since you guys been seeing us or me doing this range breaks, that the range break, support resistance basically, nothing crazy. Support and resistance. Let's just put that like that. Support resistance, right? I don't like to do it. I don't like to make like this, man. It looks messy. That's why I do it like this. I take it by the closes, not the body, not the other weeks. Since I did this, what do you guys think? What do you think? Are you buying or selling? Let me hear from you, chat. Let me know in the chat, bro. Are you buying or are you selling right now? What are you gonna do? What are you mainly looking at? Like your main direction, right? The better you get at reading charts, the more beautiful they become. Yeah, very true. Yeah, true. If it breaks below, we sell. If it breaks above, we buy. Exactly. Musa's on point. That's exactly what it is, bro. So what I mean by that is, it's very simple. We sell when it breaks 100%. When it breaks here, you sell. Breaks above, buy. So my main buys would be that, okay, look. Since it been dropping, maybe it can continue. But I'm not going to just look for sells. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to be open to see what is the market going to deliver. Does it make sense? So you can be like, okay, above here, I'm going to buy once market close with a big candle above here. And same below here. When market close with a candle below here. That is when I will... No, man, what's happening? Then I can sell below there. See? That is basically what you must be looking at. So now you have your bias, right? You have a bias. You're not one-sided, so you're not going to be left out. So another mistake that a lot of traders are making is that they're always one-sided in the market and not really like, open to both sides if it's can be buy or sell. But most time they're just like, I'm either buying only or I'm selling only. And that's a big mistake because the market can buy or sell and it can change that direction. It can be buying right now and just start selling now. Or it can sell now and change to buy. But because you are so locked in on your direction, because it's using, it's buying only. It's going to buy. It's going to sell. You're not open to adjust to or evolve to the market's current price. What's happening currently on the market. You see, I'm not really worried what happened here. You guys are so worried what happened here. Like, why? Bro, what happened here is not that important what's happening here, bro. If you can understand what's happening here, you can make a decision whether to buy or sell. But, bro, you so focused on 2020, 18, 2008. You're worried about, there's a support in 2008. Bro, what the heck, bro? The economic events happen now. Yes, they say history repeats itself, but honestly speaking, bro, you're just overcomplicating it. Just focus here. Okay, so the next step is where can I buy into, where can I sell into. So you see, where can my target for the sells be, where can my target for the buys be. Then I have now targets right now. Bro, I literally am teaching you guys how to trade. This is crazy. Yo, this is crazy. I'm teaching you guys how to trade, bro. I'm really just thinking, I'm like, nah, man, wait. I'm actually teaching you guys how to trade Forex. Like, literally, like, I'm not just showing you guys analysis. As I'm analyzing, I'm literally teaching you guys how to do it. I'm teaching you guys the understanding behind why am I doing it. This is crazy. I wish I had this, man. It's just nice. It's just nice. I wish I had like this level of teaching. It's very nice though. I'm very grateful that I'm in a position to do this for you guys. Thank you so much. Like, again, like I said, shout out to Space and Comit, bro. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. This is source. It's a lack of flexibility, which I also lack, to be honest. No, but like now, Tepiso, right now, after this stream, you're not going to lack that no more. Say it. I don't say, I'm not going to lack it. So now you know exactly, okay, I can buy and I can sell from here. So now my next step from here is, okay, where can I buy into? And where can I sell into? You know what I mean? So you can look at, okay, it's been pushing. Is there any levels here on the side? There's no stop whatsoever here. So what I can do is, if there's no stop whatsoever here, like, see, this is very far, bro. Like, I'm not going to target that right now. What I'll do is, I'll take the size of this right here, right? Clone that, put it at the top. Clone that again, put it at the top. That's 1 or 2. There you go. And this right here is your target, right, bro? That's your target. So now you're looking to target that from here all the way up into their highs. Do you see? And if I wanted to sell, I'm like, okay, do I need to first take the box? No, I look at first, is there any level stops? I can see, okay, there is stops right here. Is this stop right here, right? We have this stop right here. And we have these stops right here. Hey, we do actually have this one right here as well. We do have that, but it's too close, right? So it's like, okay, I'm gonna take these levels, but now let's just see, is this boxes line up as well at the bottom with it? Okay, so we have 1 and we have 2. So it's more or less in the same range. It's more or less, it's all in between these two. So might as well just take the box. Do you see what I'm saying? And that's how I get my targets. So now my SLs again, what I do with my SLs. Now there's 2 ways I go about it. Actually a few ways, honestly. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, there's a few ways. If I'm going to go for a positive risk to ratio, right? Like a 1:2 minimum. Then what I'll do is I'll take the same boxes, right? Let's just do this quick. Why is it not row is the boxes? There we go. This is what I do, right? I will take a short level right here, in here, right? Why is this thing so, bro? What the hell? Crazy stuff. People are so scared to put red, ne? What? You see what I'm saying? I can do this and put it right over here. I can target that positive ratio 1:2. You see what I'm saying? That's a 1:2. Very clean. Now that's even entry level. That's an entry level putting stops. Entry level, bro. I'm saying entry level putting stops because it's a big stop loss, bro. You can make the stop loss small. I'm telling you, as I said, there's more ways to do it, right? If you want to be very safe, then you can do this one. Do you see what I'm saying? And for the buy, same thing. Like for buy, it's like same thing. You know, is that buy area? Let's change the color to this one. There we go. Same thing with the buy. You put it right here. Okay. And we have it there. You see that? It's about a 1:2. Put it 1:2. There we go. 1:2. There we go. 1:2. You see? But now, again, if you want a USD analysis, bro, okay, I will do it as well. Let me just leave this. It's fine. I'll drop that as well. But you guys understand what I'm saying? But if you guys want to tighten it, then you do this. All right, this is a bit more. Put on that. This. There we go. Make it like level so you can see it. I'm just making it thick for you guys to see it. Okay. There we go. This one. I'll put it in red. So yeah, that's mid. That's equilibrium. That's called the equilibrium of equilibrium. So we have the buys and we have a sell. So we know exactly what's gonna happen. Do you guys get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? Guys, chat. Are you guys with me? So if you want to tighten the stop loss, they do this. Bam. 1:4 right now. Yo, now you have big risk to ratio. Now you have big risk to ratio. 1:4. Come on, chat, man. Come on, chat. Drop a W in the chat. Bro, I'm giving it to you guys. Bro, people are selling this out there. Let them know. Let them know that Magical live streams with us, with all of us, is the best. Let them know. Let them know, bro. Because at the end of the day, it's like, if you really think about it, this all year we dropped out. If you can just take in everything and take notes down on what I was saying, you have just learned how to trade Forex, bro. You learned how to find buyers, you know how to when to buy and sell, and you know where to put stop loss and take profit. That's all you need to trade. And now it's psychology and risk management. You understand? Now it's psychology and risk management, bro. And I can take you guys to a whole level, but again, we've been over an hour on the stream right now. Yeah. W Safwan. My name is Shaquel. Or do you mean like Safwan? W Safwan, yeah. But my name is Shaquel. My name is Shaquel, guys. Again, guys, my name is not Safwan. Safwan is my co-host. He's not here today. He's going to be on for New York session, guys. New York session will be Safwan. I'm Shaquel. Bless up, man. My MCU is Magical University. Wow. Perhaps. Today's stream is crazy. I really appreciate that feedback, man. I really appreciate it. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, guys. We've been an hour on. It's crazy. I don't feel that we're an hour on. It's crazy, actually. And then we have, let's go over, so that's US30, right? That's USD JPY, US30. Oh my gosh, what's happening here? Look at this, bam, shoot, bam. What needs to happen? So I'm going to just take this entire range like that. That's a 30-minute massive range. Wow, perhaps. But I don't know. I know on a 4-hour you can see it much more cleaner, like this. There we go. See, Shaquel knows already. Yeah, I can see that 4-hour is much more cleaner. Yeah, you can see it the way it's a 4-hour range, not like a 30-minute range. It's a 4-hour range. It's much more cleaner. There we go. It's much. Matcha. Can I get a matcha? Matcha. Go. What am I? Just come back. I haven't yet tweaked it. I haven't yet go crazy. You guys think about it. I've been very chill. I don't know if you guys see that. Like, I'm even scared of myself. I'm like, whoa, wait, Shaquel. Like, you've been so chill. Wow, perhaps this guy is not crashing out. Wow, perhaps. They say people say I like to crash out. I don't crash out. I just be myself. You know what I mean? I like to have fun because trading can't be that serious, man. Yo. People trade like this. Yeah, it's buying now. It's buying, my G. Buy, yeah. Stressed. Why, bro? Have fun. I guess when you get to a point where trading is easy to understand, you become more relaxed. Bro, explain himself. Hey, bro, I'm telling you. I haven't I haven't crashed out. Shaq has the same energy on and off stream. Yeah, I adjust myself, bro. Like Brandon knows me like in person. Like he knows me actually. Actually, if you guys want to really know, I actually lived next to Brandon, bro. I loved when I was like in school still, like high school, like for probably like 4 years, 3-4 years, 3 years. I think 3-4 years. Yeah, I lived 3-4 years next to Brandon. Yeah, I was in Brandon's house. He knows I was trying to make money. His mom was doing some business and like it really like tried to put me on it. Like that was like high school time, and I was like, I'm willing to do business, man. You know, scared myself apparently. So yeah, like I am myself, man. I'm just myself, bro. I've gained a lot of knowledge today. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. And I hope that you actually use it. Don't just abuse it. Use it, and don't just put it like in the drawer. Use it actually, bro. Like I'm being honest with you guys. Use it. It's very simple to understand forex, and there's a lot of things I can share with you guys. But I think this is a very simple way to go about it in the market. To see it works on all markets, currencies, indices, as well as commodities, and as well as crypto. Like the crazy part is, but I do analyze crypto a little different, eh? I'll be honest with you guys, I do actually like analyze it completely different actually. Let's just go for this one. I'll show you guys something quick. I go on a monthly, right? 2-hour stream. Yeah. You guys want a 2-hour stream? Do you guys want a 2-hour stream? You guys want a 2-hour stream? You finish strong. Yeah. I was cool for Safwan. I was cool Andy. I was cool. And my gully is also in K, you on the stream too? Bro, what's up? Hey, shout out. Slay guys, please. We need that. Last one. Yo. Damn. You guys are really always appreciate it. Pull the whole team in for 2-hour stream. Yeah. I must tell Marcelino, get on a flight, bro. Marcy, please get on a flight, bro. Come down to Joburg, just do a stream, and then go back to Durban, bro. Yeah, that'll be some crazy stuff, though. That's crazy. That is crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm trying to like think right now. 2-hour streams. I'm trying to. Can we take breaks though? Can we like actually like break? But the thing is, 2-hour stream. Okay, what do you want to do? Are we gonna trade? Like the thing is, are we gonna do a challenge? Are we gonna trade? Or do we want to trade today? Like, are we gonna trade actually? Or are we gonna just like drop bombs? What do you guys want? Because the thing is like, what do you want? Look at it. What do you want? Huh? Are you guys with me? What do you want? So, drop bombs, trade. I mean, look, it's the final. Yeah, but I mean like, trade, teach, advise. I can't give advice, bro. I'm not a financial advisor, bro. I can trade. Remember, me, I trade. You watching me trade. You know what I mean? I can share my knowledge with you, sure, but I can't advise you. That's for sure. You know what I mean? We're not allowed to advise you what to do. It's not allowed. So very simple. I didn't hear you guys say anything about USD JPY. Come on, hype me up. Hype me up. Please hype me up. If you hype me up, the thing is, I need energy, bro. You must understand, guys. The way I read your energy or feel your energy is through the chat. That's the way I get your energy, guys. It's through the chat. I don't get energy. I don't feel energy. If I don't get energy like through the chat, I'm not gonna feel anything. I'm gonna be like, oh, you know what I mean? Would you get registered as an advisor? Yeah, I would actually. I would actually. I would want to get registered as an advisor. Not I would. Doing a backflip will def hype you up. But psychological advice, life. Oh yeah, sure. Yeah, I need hype, bro. Like, you guys didn't say anything for this thing. I'm like, okay, I'm just showing it to you. I'm like, when are you gonna say like, wow, look at USD JPY? He literally said from this area it's an impulse. So you're like, I'm like, when the hell are you guys gonna acknowledge that I just dropped the bomb here, and you guys just watched it live on stream? I'm like, when are you guys gonna actually like say something about it, man? You know what I mean? Like, I don't trade USD JPY, but I'm just showing you that outside your works there. Man, come on, chat. Yeah, you know what I mean? Come on, chat. Do geometry? Yeah. Okay. Can we please trade gold? Let's look. Yeah. First DAX. Nah, we'll check DAX quick. Okay. So we have daily highs and lows. So this is another thing I'll show you guys. Daily highs, previous day daily highs and lows were not taken out. That's a nice drop. Yeah, it was, man. W. 200 likes and Shaquel does a backflip. Yo, guys, I was lying the other day. I can't do backflip. Nah, I can't do that. I'm so sorry, bro. I cannot do it. I'm not about that. I'm so sorry, guys. Guys, I don't think even I can make it for another hour, guys. I'll be honest with you. I really can't, bro. Like, I can't, guys. Let's do this here. So it's a daily low, daily high. Right. So now you know. Okay, this wasn't taken out. So this is areas we can look into. We have that one, and we have this one. You want Shaq to celebrate Christmas in hospital? Only flipping Shaq. Only flipping Shaq does account flipping. Only flipping Shaq does is account flipping. Yeah, that's very true. Yeah. Flipping. I don't flip pancakes and so flip. Nah, I don't. My wife cooks, bro. And in life, I say cook. It's a big lie, bro. Man, I'm gonna lie to you guys. I don't cook. I don't flip anything. I just flip accounts though. Yeah, for sure. The only flipping I do, I don't flip any pancakes, but the one flipping I do in life is I flip trading accounts for a living. Yeah, for sure. Hey guys, I'm crazy, né? Let me stop. Just calm down, bro. Calm down. Relax. Take it easy. So here we go. That's the target. So now our next step is, okay, easy range or anything like that. So we can see already, I mean, there is technically an area. Let's take this thing off. There we go. You can see there's a support area right here. There's a resistance here right there. So it's like, you can't see it though. There's a massive, let's just work with the most recent. Right there, I'm gonna work with this one. You can see that one there as well. Faked out, came up, but I'm gonna use the most recent, so I'll use that. And these ones right here. I'll use this. Okay, perfect. Oh, what am I looking at? I'm looking at this, that as well. So I'm looking at this close here, basically, and I'm looking at these. So that's how I'm doing my box, basically. Yeah, but then I'll do is I'll just make like that. Bam. Oh, I'll consider this week right here because I'm like spike, the week stop here, go through, but come above it. I'm like, okay, that's good. You see? So now we have a range. But now it's like, bro, this is so close compared to this one. It'd be nice to trade it to the downside because it's a bigger range, range to trade area target. But even if it has to go above, sure. Now the next step is to trade in between. If you get more advanced and you don't have to wait for the breaks, is to trade in between. Now how to do that is change the structure. Market break structure needs to break on the lower time frame. So now we have this one right here, and this is where you get range in range. So you have this one on 5 minute, and now you're waiting for market to either break above or below, and that is how you can trade it to the upside again. But I wouldn't go all the way up for the first one, because again, like, you have these areas right here, so you have to watch out for this one, and then you have to watch out for this one. You know what I'm saying? Are you guys with me? Chat. Are you guys up? Guys, I'm gonna have to get going. I gave you guys 15 minutes extra. I hope you guys appreciate it. I'm gonna have to get going, traders. I really enjoyed being on live, and for everyone to stay on the stream, even though I know it's a time of Christmas and people spending time with family, doing shopping, and they preparing themselves to spend the special day. So I truly appreciate, and some of you guys are at work still, so I appreciate every one of you guys joining in on the live stream. Let's see, USD JPY playing out nicely. Let's see. Wow, beautiful, huh? Nice. It is played out nice, yeah. Beautiful. So thank you for your time. Honestly, have a great festive, bro. May your family and you and your family be blessed. I appreciate it, man. Shaq the goat. I appreciate it. Like little baby says, I'll leave it to the people to say. What does it say? I leave the people to call. I know he says something about, I leave the people to call me a goat. Something like that. That's like little baby. Anyway, guys, just let's think about it. Saying greetings to your mom. Whoa, bro. Thank you so much, man. Thanks, Shaq. Thank you, Kotha. I appreciate it. To be so as well. Vincent, Brandon, Avery, Julian. Thank you as well, bro. Slay guy. I appreciate you guys. Every one of you guys on the chat, on the live as well. I appreciate every one of you guys, honestly. May the festive be a great one. Please take care of yourself, be safe, and just be very safe. Don't do nonsense, take care of yourself, spend time with your family, and again, guys, until the next stream, guys. So I'm gonna confirm. I think Safwan will be streaming for New York session. Guys. So from my side, all the best to every one of you guys. Happy New Year already, if I can say that, because I won't see you for New Year. But again, guys, just let's spam the W's for the chat for the last stream, guys. Let's spam the W's crazy. Just for the last stream for 2025, please, with me. Let's go super crazy, and I'm very excited for 2026 with you guys. We're gonna continue the streams. Let's go crazy. That's it. Let's go. Yes, sir. W's in the chat. Let's go. Yes, sir. Nice chat. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff, guys. Lovely. Again, guys, I'm gonna be out right now. Peace, love, happiness. Again, coming live from Margin Call, your host Shaquel Samaai, sponsored, best sponsor on stream is Comit and Space. Thank you again, guys. Trade with the best broker and prop firm. Cheers, traders. Much love. I'll see you guys shortly. Cheers.